These are
thousands of students in Madhya Pradesh will lose their seats.
My lord, pass the order, then we will follow that order.
Mr. Yadav, the moment we pass the order, those 4,000, 5,000 state seats which have gone in second quota, they all will be before us. Imagine 5,000 students losing their seats because we can't come up with this solution. Mr. Srinivas, good afternoon.
Sir, namaskar.
Namaskar. नहीं कोई no issues.
Students फंस जाते हैं
This is that medical matter.
Yes.
I have tried to convince them, my lord, but no solution they have reached, my lord. The mail which I have received, my lord.
What about the state counselling being held later? And they in fact say in the last line, there are many more candidates who are seeking similar relief or resigning from third round of AIQ. What have they done about them? That is why we said they must take a decision. What is going to all candidates of Madhya Pradesh second round go?
They are facing this difficulty, my lord.
They are. We understand, but what about all the students in second round are out now?
Or they are not before this honorable court, my lord.
But they are before the medical commission.
Then, no, my lord. If any relaxation is granted, my lord, then they may come. The number of petitions may come, my lord.
No. It's not before us. Medical commission knows that all second round counselling state of Madhya Pradesh state, they all lose their seats.
They all lose their seats, my lord.
They all lose their seats.
But these are
thousands of students in Madhya Pradesh will lose their seats. Second round, third round is yet to happen. What is the purpose of a third round?
They will get seat, my lord, in all India quota, my
lord. Whoever has taken admission in the meritorious students will only now go to those lower class seats. And they are talking of merit. Here, which is more meritorious seat? Varanasi, Bhopal. Bhopal will go to a person in state round. The very thing that they want to avoid, they are doing that. They are doing exactly that. All seats in Madhya Pradesh which are left vacant will all go down the line. All of them. And there will be thousands and thousands of those.
It is correct. But they are bound by the rules, my lord.
Yes, but
they cannot relax their rules.
My lord, your quota seats were allotted in third round or second round?
In second round, my lord.
In second round?
Yes, my lord.
They are referring the rules and regulation of third round.
The third round of all India quota. Third all India quota.
So they are referring the rules and regulations of third round. As per the rules and regulation of third round, if a seat is allotted in third round, then no resignation is permissible. But
no, after third round, no resignation is permissible. My lord, this is the rules, my lord, and rules are
what about the rules?
The rules are not under challenge.
No, those is not the rule.
Now those
we are, Mr. Yadav, we are not on the rule position. We are on the practicality of this situation.
Yes, it is correct, my lord. But
how many students got seats in second round?
The number of candidates.
Thousands of them in Madhya Pradesh itself. All of them lose their seats. So all meritorious candidates who secured all India quota seats will lose it. The lower merit who didn't get anything, all state seats will go to them. All of them. Thousands of seats will go to those people lower. It will happen. If it happens, it happens. What can we do? But at least let us speak to the director, ask him to be connected at one. We'll speak to them.
My lord, my suggestion, if my lord may allow this petition.
We are conscious of it.
And that we may be permitted to place this vacancy in stray round, my lord, stray vacancy round.
You see, difficulty is this. Unless you concur. Because what happens is we direct Varanasi to be placed in stray counselling. We have not stayed anything, first and foremost. We permit Varanasi to be placed in the stray round. You cancel Bhopal, she is left without a seat. That's the problem.
If my lord allow this writ petition, my lord, then she will get the Bhopal seat. And the all India quota seat.
They will get the Bhopal seat. You are inclined to cancel the Bhopal seat.
No. If my lord pass the order, then we will follow that order.
Mr. Yadav, the moment we pass the order, those 4,000, 5,000 state seats which have gone in second quota, they all will be before us, asking for identical relief. Your entire stray round counselling will go haywire.
This may not be treated as precedent, my lord. Looking to
it
this.
Can't. Why not?
It
will, Mr. Yadav, it will act as a precedent. Whether we like it or not, it will act as a precedent. All your all India quota seats, 5,000 all India quota seats will suddenly be available in stray round. We don't want to pass that kind of an order which will disrupt again the entire admission schedule. Supreme Court says we should not. We will not like to do that.
The same problem again, is with the authority also, Maro. They also get.
No. We want to make them aware of what is playing in our mind. Despite that, if they say sorry, they will then, whatever is going to happen then by the state students, they'll face the consequence. Imagine 5,000 students losing their seats.
It is correct, Maro. That this is the.
They can always being experts, extend the date, take it into account. They have the machinery. If we direct it, it'll have a cascading effect on those seats, and maybe
they discussed the matter till late night, my lord.
No, merit is going to be-
Today morning they informed me this.
so, Mr. Yadav, their concern is merit being disturbed. What about the meritorious Madhya Pradesh students who have secured all India quota seats because of their ranking but are getting better seats here? They lose those better seats, and those better seats go to people who couldn't secure anything in all India quota. That means way down in merit. All good seats in Madhya Pradesh go down to people way down in merit.
Similarly, only the all India quota seats will also go to the lower merit.
We are conscious of it. All India quota seats, in any case, as per in their mind, are lower than the state seats in merit. That is why they all want upgradation to the state seats.
It is only in the case of petitioner, my lord, because he is getting degree.
You mean to say nobody apart from her got a second round seat in second counselling? Must have been several. At least they will have the figures. If they say she's the only one, we can make an exception. If there are 1,000 more, you see, it's going to be difficult.
My lord, may I submit one? This particular entire NEET process is having a very, peculiar sort of situation. My lord, in this particular selection process, the merit has never been respected, to be very honest. Let me tell.
You get a seat based on your merit. You see, assuming we were to allow your petition, and there are say 1,000 more similarly situated, all those 1,000 all India quota seats will suddenly become available for stay round. Their entire process will get disrupted. Entire process will get disrupted.
My lord, may I give an example, if my lord permits me? Suppose this person secures a seat in MD medicine. I secure a seat in MD anesthesia in second round. In this second round, she chooses not to take admission in that particular seat. I am bound to take that particular seat because I have no other option. I have this particular assumption in my mind. Therefore, what I do, I take that particular MD anesthesia. She leaves that seat. Now that seat will go in in third round. Eventually, people don't take that particular seat in third round as well. Then it goes to stray round.
Problem is, insofar as all India seats are concerned, these rounds are already over. If it was open, shuffling can still happen. Today, insofar as all India quota seats are concerned, they are frozen, except for a few stray seats left. But what you are seeking, if that is granted to everybody, they'll have to then do a third or fourth round of counselling again in all India quotas. We may sympathize with you, you may be a very merit, but it's going to have the entire academic schedule will again go haywire.
My lord, may I submit one more thing? The situation in our case is different from others. Let me submit that.
You see, you've secured a state seat in second round. With you, there must be several more in the state of Madhya Pradesh who've secured seats in second round. The meritorious ones who were able to secure an all India quota seat but not of their liking have taken admission in second round. All those seats will now become available.
My lord, this is not going to happen as per the discussions
Let
we had.
them come and say it's not going to happen, then
It will.
The cascading
We are
effect is
conscious it
something.
is going to happen.
So, may I submit?
You see, for your benefit, we want to speak to whoever the director is. If they can come up with a solution, because we can't come up with this solution. The moment we allow your petition, it will have a major effect on the entire admission process and the academic schedule, which Supreme Court says whatever may be the effect, that shouldn't be done. Howsoever meritorious your petition would be, that effect is something we will not be able to grab. But they can, as an expert body, they can come up with the solution if they are alive with the problem. So we want to communicate the problem and let them take a decision. Let's see, at 1 o'clock. Mr. Yadav, can you please ask them to have the figures as to how many MP students have taken this in the second round? That figure will give us an idea.
Not seats in third round of the all India.
Which he has connected through video call, my lord. That director, my lord, V. Srinivasan.
What is his name?
B. Srinivasan.
Srinivasan.
B. Srinivasan. B. Srinivasan.
Srinivas. Mr. Srinivas, good afternoon.
Sir, namaskar.
Namaskar. नहीं, no issues. No issues. इसमें issue ये है कि जो petitioner है, इसने second round of all India quota में she secured a seat in Varanasi.
Yes, sir.
And your last date for surrendering that seat got over on 14th. No, कब over हुई थी?
22nd.
January 2025 को.
Yes, sir.
Because of the state level counselling happening later, in Madhya Pradesh, she secured in the second round of Madhya Pradesh on 30th of January, she secured another seat in Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, sir. हाँ जी.
Now on 31st, इन्होंने आपको email भेजी कि I want to surrender my All India quota seat, लेकिन तब तक आपका पोर्टल बंद हो चुका था. And on 8th February, she sent another email कि I want to surrender that seat because she secured a better seat under the state counselling. अब now you have sent a communication कि जिन्होंने ऑल इंडिया कोटा में ले ली थी और डेट तक सरेंडर नहीं करी, they will not be eligible for state quota seat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो in effect petitioner ने तो अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करी सरेंडर करने की, but because the date was closed, that is over. Now matter is pending with between you कि भाई अब ऑल इंडिया कोटा भी ले लिया, अब स्टेट कोटा भी ले लिया. So you are proposing to cancel the state quota seat of all these people जिनकी ऑल इंडिया में ऑलरेडी सीट आई हुई है.
हाँ जी, हाँ.
तो इसमें द प्रोस्पेक्ट ऑफ इम्प्रूविंग वर्चुअली इनकी चलेगी. जितने मध्य प्रदेश के स्टेट कोटा सेकंड राउंड में आए हैं, ऑल दोज हु ऑलरेडी हैव सिक्योर्ड सीट दे विल लूज. तो
हाँ जी, around 60-70 कैंडिडेट्स होंगे सर ऐसे.
हाँ 60-70 हैं. अब वो उनको स्टेट कोटा सीट तो अब मिलेगी नहीं आपके जो डिसीजन है.
जी सर.
तो व्हाट वी वर थिंकिंग वाज वी विल
हाँ सर.
what we are proposing is, since आपकी अभी वो stray round counselling is till the 18th, we are proposing to dispose of this petition with a request to you to consider these facts and take a decision. If you take a decision to permit them to maintain state quota seat, you can include the all India quota in the stray round. If you don't, then it's a decision you take keeping in view the facts and circumstances, other 60-70, because all 60-70 will probably lose their state quota better seats.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to, yes.
सर आई थिंक मतलब सर ऐसा केस पहले भी आया था दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में. उस समय भी ऑनरेबल जज ने आई हैड कम इन, मतलब दिस इज अ स्पेशल, मतलब दिस बिकम्स अ टेक्निकली डिफिकल्ट केसेस बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स फंस जाते हैं सम स्टेट्स नॉट एबल टू डू द टाइमलाइन. इसमें ये है कि सर इसको अगर हम स्टेट को इस कैंडिडेट के लिए स्टेट के लिए अलाउ कर देते हैं, बट वो सीट जो है क्योंकि पीडियाट्रिक्स का सीट है वो ना ले, या तो डिप्लोमा वाला प्राइवेट सीट है वैसे, अगर क्योंकि सर वो लेते हैं तो फिर ऊपर वाले जो मेरिट वाले कैंडिडेट्स हैं वो फिर इसके लिए फिर कहेंगे कि हम अलाउ कर. सो इफेक्टिवली सर जो सितंबर से जो काउंसलिंग चल रहा है फर्स्ट राउंड से भी जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो भी सर पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए कहेंगे कि हमें पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका दिया जाए. तो दैट इज व्हाई देयर विल बी कैस्केडिंग इफेक्ट. इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि सर थर्ड राउंड के स्टूडेंट्स इफेक्ट होंगे, ये फर्स्ट राउंड के स्टूडेंट्स भी कहेंगे कि हमें, क्योंकि सर ये पीडियाट्रिक सीट है तो कोई हाई एंड सीट है और बहुत सारे सर इससे मेरिटोरियस वाले नॉन क्लिनिकल सीट्स लेके बैठे हैं. तो या तो सर ये सीट हम सैक्रिफाइस कर दें और ये स्ट्रे में ना आए, और ये वाला इसको और विदाउट एनी प्रेसिडेंस इसको अलाउ करना है.
You see, we are planning to, because you are the technical people, you have all the facts and figures. We are planning to dispose of this petition with directing you to take this petition as a representation and take a decision. You may take an informed decision keeping in with the past precedents and also what is going to be the effect, because you have all the facts and figures, we don't, and nor do we have the time. कि वो इतना data हम देखेंगे, scrutinize करेंगे और आपका stray round 18 को खत्म हो रहा है. तो आप देखिए, if you can do something for the student, well and good, we would like it. If you can't, in view of the peculiar facts, then we'll leave it to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She is our student also, sir. We feel for that, no doubt, sir.
Yeah. ठीक है, right? Thank you, Mr. Srinivas.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
इसमें लेना.
My lord, she may be heard once.
Heard what? Tell us what do we do?
She is insisting me to tell one thing to
Yeah.
your lordship. My lord, last time when on the first date of hearing, the DME had sent us this email stating that it will be the seat will be secured provisionally till the decision of MCC comes into the picture. My lord, in that email, only 3 persons were marked. 3 persons other than the authorities of the central government and the state government were marked who were circulated this email. So she has informed me that this situation is actually peculiar to these 3 people only. And
So what he's saying is there are 70 odd people who got second round counselling in state of Madhya Pradesh, and probably all of them would have some seat or the other in All India Court.
सर उसका एक कारण है, ये डीएनबी से एमडी की सीट इनको मिली है. हो सकता है उनको एमडी से एमडी मिली हो. टीएनबी और एमडी में सर
You see, वही हम कह रहे हैं ना, we are not closing the issue. They have all the details, they have all the facts. We are not treating it as an adversarial, nor do we expect them to treat it as an adversarial. They are, because he came up with some off the cuff solution कि maybe we don't include in stakeholder, let it go waste as a private seat, etc. तो उस situation में हो सकता है they may be able to come up with a better solution. हम direct कर दें, they'll immediately go to Supreme Court, probably situation may be different. तो ना इधर के ना उधर. In this course, we discussed it inside. In this course, probably they may be able to help her. We would like it if she can retain her Bhopal seat. But again, they have to look at the cascading effect of this issue. So keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully things will work out good for her. इसमें ना 11th February के order से सारा page 1 का जहाँ तक issue notice है ना 2.5 पेज का order वो पूरा आप उसको copy कर लीजिए. On 11/2/2020 we had requested the Deputy Director General Medical Education to be connected. Mr. B. Srinivas, Deputy Director General Medical Education, is connected over the video conferencing and stuff. He states that there are about 70-80 students in similar position who may have. There are a large number of students exceeding 50 in number who may be similarly situated to the petitioner. He further states that any decision at this stage is likely to have an effect on the All India quota seats and counselling. He, however, states that since time was short, he's not been able to ascertain as to the impact and effect of the relief sought by the petitioner. Keeping in view the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case and being conscious of the fact that any direction by this court may have an effect not only on the All India quota seats, but also on the state quota seats, we deem it appropriate to direct that the present petition be treated as a representation by the Director of Medical Education or Medical Counselling Committee.
Respond number 2, man.
By the Medical Counselling Committee, and a decision be taken keeping in view the facts and circumstances as elicited in the petition as well as our order here and above. The decision be taken since the last date for what is it called?
Stray vacancy round.
Stray vacancy round is 18th February 2025. We direct that a decision be taken on or before 17th February 2025. That's all. The petition is accordingly disposed of in the above terms. It is clarified that this court has neither considered nor that the Medical Commission Counselling Committee shall be at liberty to take a decision keeping in with the rule position as well as the factual matrix without being influenced by anything stated in this order. All rights and contentions of parties are reserved.